Hello everyone, thanks for taking the time to come check out my website and listen to my presentation. To start things off, I'd like to say why I created this website, and that was for a local homeowners association. They currently don't have one, and they wanted one to help reach out to their members and to help spread information. Also give them a place that if people want to check out their community, they can go to the website. Without further ado, this is the home page. This is the Dan Trails Homeowners Association landing page. The company logo, the organization logo, is being used here. This logo is actually used for the entrance to the community. This page also has a couple notices and updates that will be replaced as time goes on. For example, the next bill notice, let's say after April 1st, the next one will come up here. Let's say maybe there's a bear sighting that'll come up, or if there's people speeding, you have to watch out for that, icy roads and such. And so it's kind of in the moment information. About us, this page is meant to give current and prospecting homeowners just a little more background information of the community and the organization itself. What's some of its heritage, why was it founded, and whatnot. Board contact information will be here, as well as some information about each board member. However, because this website hasn't been handed off to the organization yet, this is placeholders. These aren't the actual images or names of the board members. Of course, that will be updated when this gets officially published and used by the client. This web page is going to be for news, specifically larger components of news than the homepage would hold. For example, events, rules, regulations, files that people could download, which would be anything from covenants, road maintenance, agreements, bylaws, and maybe old news that could be reaccessed. The blog page will be used for any stories, testimonies. This is a fictional story from the perspective of the Dan Trails president, but as time goes on, this will be replaced with true stories and with testimonies from current house owners. A contact page that will be used for the individual who will be maintaining the website, which will be whichever web assistant they hire. And then a shop, they will not be having a shop, so this will be taken down afterwards, but for the purpose of this course, this is what was used. So that's the website, that's kind of what it's used for, and its design and whatnot. I think one of the most difficult things I encountered was balancing design elements and just progressing through the assignments in this course. A lot of times Divi would delete things and I had problems with that, but thankfully I was able to get some guidance from a lot of you and my peers and determine that, I had to update some things and change some things in order to stop that from happening. I think one of the best things that I learned and that I gained from this course was less is more. I struggle a lot with trying to make things more complex, trying to throw out there as much as I can, but not often is that always the best route to take. For example, for this community, it's a quiet community, very rural, a lot of privacy, people have a lot of land, and they wanted to represent that in the website. And so less is more. And I tried to represent that, and I think I did a good job of it. And that was definitely, and I noticed the benefits of doing that. And that's probably the thing I gained the most. And that was it. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and begin visiting the website. If you have any feedback or suggestions, I'd love to take it all. I hope you all have a good day.